Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a thumbnail using AI tool. Here you can go and type Skynail AI. This one is the platform that you can use and create a viral thumbnail. So now if I scroll down from here you can see these are different examples that you can use, and you can easily select one of the template. Simply you can go and click here, then sign up with Google, and after that you can select your Gmail account and then scroll down, click here continue button. Now click here projects. So we have 3 free credits. Click here new thumbnail, and then you have 3 options. Here you can add a prompt, you can select YouTube, also you can upload video file. For example, if I go here and simply I can copy one of the YouTube video link and then add here. Okay, this one is the description. For example, if I go here on ChatGPT, and now I need to create a prompt. If I go back to downloads folder, this one is an example thumbnail. Let me upload the image, attach the file from here, click here, create exact prompt from this thumbnail image, then press enter. Within couple of seconds you will get a complete prompt for your thumbnail. Okay, now I can copy this prompt from here, select all of the text in the prompt, and one of the most important thing is make sure that you have selected aspect ratio 16:9. After that add this one here, then scroll down, create a project, and these are the couple of templates that are available here. You can select one of the template. For example, if I go here and then you can select one of the face, let me select this one, then click on generate button. Now here you can see it has started generating thumbnail. Now you need to wait for a few seconds, and here you can see thumbnail is ready. You can easily save this thumbnail into your laptop by clicking this button. You can also edit, you can open it, you can also share this thumbnail with your friends and anywhere.